Welcome to the channel Encyclopedia Catanica. In this video I'm gonna try to pick this 40mm white padlock. It's from maker ERREBI, which is a famous maker by making blank keys. And this is the model called Easy, which means that it doesn't have security pins and heavy security features. This is some kind of commercial series of padlocks. It comes in many different sizes and shackle lengths, from the size of 20mm till the size of 70mm. I have this 40mm lock, and we're gonna see what it takes to pick this lock open. I don't have a keys, by the way. I'm going to use this thinner tension wrench from windshield wiper and this homemade Mac tickler or something which is pretty similar to Mac tickler. This lock is very well made, good precision, so maybe it won't be a easy pick like in case of some Chinese brass padlock, but we have it open. We have it open, and it's defeated. As you see, it's double locking mechanism, spring loaded, which means that it doesn't have anti-shim features. Let's see. As you see, the locking pole is shimmable, so nothing special to expect from commercial line of locks. It says Easy on it, which means that, as I mentioned, it doesn't have some quality security features. Shackle is made out of steel. It's hardened indeed. The body is made out of brass. It's a 5-pinner, and that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.